This video shows how to use ACDP to add smart keys for Volkswagen's 4.5 generation MQB 3526 plus 95,320. First, we need to remove instrument cluster from car, open cluster shell, and check the chip model. Power on the ACDP. Open the ACDP app. Confirm ACDP device SN is showing on the upper right corner, means device is connected to your phone or PC. Click VW. Click VW MQB IMMO. Click MQB 4.5th and EC plus 95320. Click ICP Read Dashboard. Choose based on the chip model on the instrument panel, taking D70F3526 as an example. Let's take the interface board MQB 7.4 as an example. Click Help. Use interface board, connect the device with the instrument properly as the diagram. Click MQB 7.4 interface board. Click OK. Click OK. Pin detection is good. Click Continue. Click Continue. Decrypting chip, please wait. Reading data, please wait. Data read successful. Click Continue. Click OK, save all backup data of the chip. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Click OK. Reading EEPROM data. Click OK, save the EEPROM data. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Click OK. Execution complete. Click OK. Click OK. Click the icon in the top left corner twice. Reinstall the instrument panel into the vehicle and confirm that the vehicle is functioning properly. Click IMMO. Click Step 1, Help for OBD identification. Connect the ACDP to the vehicle's OBD2 port properly. Click Step 1, OBD Identify. Click OK. Turn on the switch and click to continue. Verify vehicle information. Click OK. OBD Identify info finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click Step 2, Obtain IMMO data. Click Load Meter Data Calc IMMO. Click OK. Prepare the printing of the meter chip data. If the meter has an external EEPROM 95,320 95,128 chip, also need to prepare the external EEPROM data. Click Continue. Click OK. Select the NEC chip data for the instrument. When selecting chip data, pay attention to the backup date, time, and chip model. Confirm whether the meter need to load external EEPROM 95,320 95,128 data. Click Yes to load EEPROM. Click OK. When selecting EEPROM data, please pay attention to the backup date and time. Click Continue, Calculate IMMO data. Click OK, Save IMMO data. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Click OK. Check if the IMMO information is normal. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Click the icon in the top left corner to go back to the previous level. Click Step 3, Make Dealer Key. Click Duplicate the key help. Connect the ACDP to the PCF key adapter properly. Click Duplicate the key. Click OK. Note, the new key should be a blank key that ID can be changed, and the blank key has been changed to the ID of the lost key. Place the blank key that has been changed to the original car's lost key ID on the PCF key adapter correctly. Click Continue. Confirm the key information. Click Continue. Click OK. Select IMMO data. When select IMMO data, please pay attention to the backup date and time. Click Continue. Select your vehicle manufacturer. Here we choose VW. Click Continue. Start programming the key data. Click Continue. Make dealer key finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click the icon in the top left corner to go back to the previous level. Click Step 4, OBD Learn Help. Click OK. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click OK, select IMMO data. When selecting IMMO data, please pay attention to the backup date and time. Enter the number of keys to be learned. We are going to learn 2 keys. Click Continue. Don't turn off the ignition during learning. If the other keys are too close to the induction coil, may cause learning failure. Put the first key close to or insert the induction coil and click Continue. The number of keys learned 0, click Continue. The number of keys learned 1, put the second key close to or insert the induction coil and click Continue. Completed learning 2 keys, click OK. Click OK. The Smart Key Addition is complete. Please try on the car and verify if the added key functions is normally. Thank you for watching.